Struggling to reset your Mac password without the Apple ID, or maybe you're locked out of your Mac password just lead you in circles? For many users, this becomes a dead end. You forgot the password, you don't have access to the Apple ID, and macOS isn't making it easy. But here's the truth, you can reset your Mac password even on the latest version of macOS without the Apple ID and without wiping your files. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that on both Intel-based and Apple Silicon Macs with simple on-screen steps. Let's get straight into it. Before we go further, check which kind of Mac you have. The way we access recovery depends on whether you're using an Intel chip or Apple Silicon like M1, M2, or M3. If your Mac has an Apple logo on the startup screen and says Options, you're on Apple Silicon. If you need to hold keys like Command plus R, it's an Intel Mac. For Apple Silicon Macs, shut down your Mac completely, press and hold the power button until you see loading startup options. Click Options, click Continue. For Intel Macs, shut down the Mac, press Command plus R, and power it on while holding the keys. Now you're inside macOS recovery, and this is where the fun begins. Once you're in macOS recovery, click Utilities, click Terminal, type the Reset Password command, hit Return. This opens the Password Reset Assistant, which now looks slightly updated in Sequoia, cleaner UI, same job. Select your internal disk, usually called Macintosh HD, choose your user account, set a new password, confirm it, and add a hint if needed. Then click Next or Save. Congrats! Your password is now changed, even though you didn't use your Apple ID. Now that you're back inside, take 2 minutes to bulletproof your Mac. Set a recovery contact, go to Apple account, click on Sign In and Security, click on Recovery Methods, add a trusted recovery contact. You can use your other device or a family member. Enable password hint, go to Users and Groups. Click your account, change password, set a hint you'll actually remember. Print or save your File Vault key. Go to System Settings, Privacy and Security. File Vault. Make sure the recovery key is saved safely. Don't leave this blank. These simple steps can save hours and protect years worth of work. You've just unlocked something most Mac users don't even know is possible: resetting your Mac password without your Apple ID on the latest macOS Sequoia, whether you're using Intel or Apple Silicon. If you want more tutorials like this that actually work with new macOS updates, search for AIM Apple anytime you're stuck. See you in the next video.